Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and it is time to do shopping. 在客家有没有这样？这血拼是其实从英文这样子翻过去啊？
买东西。
哦，买东西就好了，是不是？
爱钱啊！
哦，要很多钱啊，懂多钱啊！It's a time of the year where a lot of shopping is to be done for many reasons. Because one, a lot of department stores are probably having sales, and if you're in America, a lot of Christmas shopping happens around this time as well. 其实不管是国内外了这个时候去这个血拼一下，因为第一个可能有一些周年庆啊，会比较便宜一点啦。然后在国外的话，又有所谓的圣诞节嘛，所以这时候很多人都是想要 shopping，
而且买东西。
Okay, so let's teach some of these phrases. 周年庆，因为在台湾很多百货公司 ，a lot of department stores they have anniversaries， 周年庆。
猪年庆，
猪年吗？那如果是牛年，然后狗年就不能这样叫吗？
对，发音是一样的。猪年庆。
哦，猪年庆 ，it sounds like the pig's year or something, but it's not. It's an anniversary. 猪年庆。OK， 那百货公司呢？
百货公司。
That's department store. 百货公司. Oh, all right. And when you go to these department stores or any shops out there, they might be having a sale. And in Taiwan, a lot of people like to say 打折, which means how many % off, you know? 打折呢？
大赞。
大赞。不要打仗要打赞 That's actually a percentage off. But you have to associate it with a number. 通常都会说打8折啦，打9折啦，甚至打对折啊，这样子。
就半价，对折就是半价。
半价。OK， 半价 is half off or 50% off. 那如果打8折呢？
大半赞。
Okay, so if you hear that number 8, it actually means 20% off. Okay, so that's 打半赞。那有一些活动是买一送一的话呢？
买一送一。
买一送一。OK。好，我感觉我可以去摆地摊了。来哦，买一送一，打
赞送本你哦。
什么意思？
之前送本你。
不用钱送给你哦。你以为我听不懂啊 ，Alice？ All right. Well, anyways, a lot of shopping is happening right now. Hopefully, you'll find a bargain out there somewhere. Well, that does it for today's Hakka lesson.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.